thinking about tomorrow.
Sa murang edad pa lamang ay nagpamalas na ng kakaibang talento at nagsimulang mamukadkad sa mundo ng sining si Lea Salonga.
I began my career on this very stage as part of Repertory Philippines' production of The King and I was only 7 years old, and I've also done Miss Saigon here. And at the age of 17, I walked into the rehearsal hall downstairs for the very first audition for the show that would ultimately change my life.
I know there's nothing in their hearts.
Mula sa Broadway hanggang West End, hindi na mabilang ang mga entablado at konsyerto sa iba't ibang dako ng mundo na napagtanghalan ni Lea.
A world that's full of happiness that I have never known.
Umani siya ng maraming parangal tulad ng Laurence Olivier sa London at Tony Awards sa New York at sumabak rin sa pag-aartista sa mga pelikula.
A whole new world.
Sa taong 2011, hinirang na Disney legend si Lea bunga ng kanyang pagkanta sa mga pelikulang Aladdin,
That now I'm in a whole new world. When will my
at Mulan.
action show who I am inside?
Talento at kahusayan ang kanyang naiambag sa bansa at sa mundo mula pagkabata hanggang sa kasalukuyan.
Everything is all possible, but it also takes a lot of sacrifice and a lot of hard work. There's a lot of blood, sweat, and tears, and it's not even a cliche.
Si Lea ay isang patunay na world-class ang talentong Pilipino.